everybody and welcome back. Well, I've decided I'm just going to stay home today and get as much accomplished as possible. So if you hear an odd noise, it's probably my washing machine. I have been gathering some products that I want to talk to you about, and these products are items that I use every day. I find them in the grocery, I find them at the pharmacy. They are not chic and they are very cheap. The first item is something I've used every day since I was a child. It is gluten-free and it's paraben-free and it's very mild, and that is Ivory Soap. It is a product that is probably the least chic item you can use. It's a bar soap. It's just an old-fashioned item that you see in the grocery and you see at the pharmacy, but I have used it so long I don't think I could do without it. While I'm using that Ivory Soap, I use something that you're going to probably think is outrageous, but I use the least expensive, the roughest washcloths I can find. I save all the nice fluffy ones for the guest rooms, and I use these really inexpensive ones. I can find them at Bed Bath & Beyond and a number of places. I think Target has them. You can buy them by the stacks for almost nothing, and they exfoliate while you're using them, so why not? This next item is something that I've been using since I was a teenager with breakouts. Now I use it occasionally as an astringent. I do dilute it some because it can be harsh, and that is isopropyl alcohol. It looks like this one might have come from Target. I'm seeing the symbol here, and it is one of the best astringents I've found, and if it works, I don't see any reason to change. Okay, so how many uses are there for Arm & Hammer baking soda? Well, I use it many times as a clarifier for my hair. I will mix it with a quart of water and rinse it through, then I'll shampoo, and I just think it works beautifully. Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I have talked about this before, but I think it's my favorite mascara, and it's inexpensive. You can pick it up at the grocery or the pharmacy or Walmart or Target or wherever you are. Maybelline's going to have a display of it, and I just love it. This is an item that I doubt you've ever heard of. It is Robithol bath oil. It is free of dyes, free of fragrance, no parabens, no formaldehyde, and it's gluten-free. It's cottonseed oil. I think it's fabulous. You can put it in your bath, or if you take a shower, just put some on and then rinse off a little bit and pat dry. I believe I got this at CVS. If you don't see it there, ask the pharmacist, because I got this for $16.99. It's not highly advertised, so you're not going to find it on a center shelf. More than likely it's on the bottom shelf. It was so nice of you to join me today, and I thank you for subscribing. See you again soon. Bye.